Machine Tool Camp has developed hybrid machining centers that enable the machining and finishing of composites in ways not possible with traditional 5-axis CNC machines.
My name is Scott Kafusman. I'm the president of Machine Tool Camp in Eau Claire, Wisconsin. Machine Tool Camp is a builder of CNC machines, and we have been leading the technology development of what we call hybrid machining centers. Hybrid machining centers are sort of half CNC traditional machining center and half industrial robot systems. The net result gives us an ability to machine parts with more flexibility, more reach, and more access by articulating a robot arm into spots that a traditional 5-axis machine just can't reach. Our OHR, it's our overhead robot system. It's got 8 axes of articulating motion. We can add rotary axes and other capabilities for a full 9-axis system. In this case, we're demonstrating the trimming by using a triple capability tool where we can drill, route, and saw with one tool without needing a tool change in order to drill, machine, and trim various composite layups and parts. Machines from MTC are used in numerous types of products. They range from marine industry and aerospace to consumer goods that are as simple as bathtubs or spas and hot tubs, but range to jet engine parts, offshore boats, marine patrol boats. The hybrid machines offer a level of access to a part that you can't get in a traditional 3, 4, or even 5-axis machine. The articulating nature of the robot head in conjunction with the rest of the orthogonal coordinate system machine tool gives you unprecedented reach to undercuts and under features without having to flip the part or do multiple operations.
For more composites news and insights into the latest trends and innovations in the industry, visit CompositesWorld.com.